Shared vehicles can be a melting pot for bacteria and viruses, easily spreading to whoever drives the vehicle. This is even more apparent during the COVID-19 pandemic. State offers 2 fast-acting, powerful disinfectants to help wipe away germs in your shared vehicles: Triple Quick and Fix Plus. Triple Quick is a ready-to-use disinfectant with a short dwell time of 3 minutes or less for most bacteria and viruses. This makes it the perfect option for disinfecting your vehicle during any time of the day. To use, spray Triple Quick onto the surface. Let the surface remain wet for 3 minutes. Let the product air dry and you're ready to hit the road. Use Triple Quick in between shifts, after visiting customers, and after visiting any public space. Use it on door handles, steering wheels, and more. At the end of each day, State strongly recommends you disinfect your vehicle one last time. Fix Plus is your go-to option for end-of-day disinfection. Easily let the product work as you unload your van or file your end-of-day reports. To use, spray Fix Plus onto the surface. Allow the surface to remain wet for 10 minutes. Then, wipe the product off with a clean cloth or sponge. Properly disinfecting your vehicles throughout the day will help keep you and those around you safe and healthy. State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.